Hello, this is the lecture number 6 for the chapter probability for the class 12th, and we are starting today with the topic Bayes theorem. Now let us consider there are two bags, first and second. Now which is containing white and red balls. The bag 1 contain 2 white ball and the bag first also contain 3 red balls. The second bag contain 4 white ball, and let us take the red ball in the second bag B5. Now one ball is drawn at a random from one of the bag. We can easily find the probability of selecting any one of the bag. That the selecting of the bag first will be out of 2 1 upon 2, and the probability of selecting the second bag is also 1 upon 2 because we are selecting one bag out of 2. Now suppose, or to find the drawing or to find the probability of drawing a ball of a particular color from a particular bag, say the first. In other words, we can find the probability that the ball drawn is of the particular color, either white or red in this case, if we are given that the bag from which the ball is drawn. Suppose the bag 1 is given, then the probability of finding the white will be 2 upon 5, or to find the probability of finding a red ball is 3 upon 5. But can we find the probability that the ball drawn from a particular bag, say second? Can you find the probability to find from the second bag if the color of the ball drawn is given? Suppose we have taken out the red ball, then what is the probability drawing it from the second or from the first? To find this probability, the famous mathematician known as John Bayes solved the problem of finding the reverse probability, that if we have taken out a ball of a particular color, say red, then what is the probability that it's being drawn from the first bag or the second bag? Suppose we have two bags. I'm taking the reverse probability. Let us take we have two bags. I'm having these white and red ball in these two bags. Suppose we have taken out a ball which is found to be red. एक हमने ball निकाली वो red थी. So we have to find the probability that what is the probability that it is being drawn from the bag first, or it can be found what is the probability it being drawn from the bag second. So this is the concept of the Bayes theorem, which says that let if E1, E2 and so on En are non-empty events which constitute a partition of a sample space, say S. This is a partition of the sample space S. That is E1, E2, E3 and so on up to En are pairwise disjoint. Pairwise disjoint means E1 union E2 union E3 up to union En will be equal to the sample space, because these are the events of the part of the sample space, and A is any event of the non-zero probability. Let A is the event of any event of the non-zero probability. Then probability of EI upon A is equal to probability of EI into probability of A upon EI upon summation of PEI into probability of A upon EI, I values from 1 to n, where I is equal to 1, 2, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. This is the Bayes theorem or the Bayes formula, where E1, E2, E3 are the events of the sample space, and A is any event of the non-zero probability. Suppose we have I as 2, so it will be E2 into P into A upon E2 upon probability of E1 into probability of A upon E1, and we have the plus sign, plus E2 into probability of P probability of A upon E2. This is the probability of using the Bayes theorem when we have more than one part of the sample space. Now we know the formula by the conditional probability, that conditional probability, we know that probability of E upon A, and if I put it here I, we have more than one in it by using the formula of the conditional probability. This is the formula for the conditional probability, and it will be probability of EI into probability of A upon EI upon probability of A by using the multiplication rule of probability. Now it will be probability of EI into probability of A upon EI upon summation of, this is the event of the total sample space, probability of EI into probability of A upon EI from I1 to N by using the sum result of the theorem of total probability. So this is the formula for the Bayes theorem. Now this will become easy if we do some examples based on the Bayes theorem. I am reading some out of them, and I'll tell that there we have to use the Bayes theorem. Let us take some examples, questions of the 13.3, which is based on the Bayes theorem. A bag contained 4 red and 4 black ball. So first bag, second bag, and it is given that 4 red and 4 black ball. And in the second bag we have 2 red and we have 6 black ball. 2 bags are there. One of the 2 bags is selected at a random. One of the 2 bags is selected in random, and from that bag a ball is drawn which is found to be red. Then what is the probability that it has been drawn from the bag first? एक बॉल निकाली, वो रेड थी, तो क्या probability हमने उसको बैग 1 से निकाली थी? ये भी पूछ सकता था, what is the probability that it being drawn from the bag second? तो ये Bayes theorem का क्वेश्चन है. Let us take another. I'll do the question later on. First of all, I'm telling it where the Bayes theorem will be used. Let us take the third question of this 13.3. Of the student in a college, 60% reside in hostel. 60% hostel में रहते हैं और day scholar आपके 40% है. And it is given that previous result shows that 30% of the day scholar get A grade and 30% and the 20% of the day scholar getting the A grade. A student is selected as a random at the end of the year and he got an A grade. उसका A grade था, तो क्या probability है he is residing in the hostel? तो क्या probability कि वो hostel से था स्टूडेंट. और ये भी पूछा सकता था क्या probability है वो डे स्कॉलर था. तो एक इवेंट होने के बाद you have to find the probability that it is happening from one of the 2 event. So this is the question based on the Bayes theorem. Let us take another. A factory, I'm taking the 8th question. A factory has 2 machines A and B. Machine A and machine B are there. Past record shows that the machine A produced 60% of the item and machine B produced 40% of the item. Further, 2% of the item produced from machine A is defective and 1% of the item produced by the machine B is defective. One of the item is chosen and it is found to be defective. एक item हमने choose करा, वो defective था. It being a defective, तो क्या probability है कि it is being manufactured by the machine A, या पूछा जा सकता है machine B एक item निकाला वो defective था, तो क्या probability है कि वो machine B के द्वारा बनाया गया था या फिर machine A के द्वारा. So this is the question based on the this Bayes theorem. Let us take another. A manufacturer has 3 machines. हमारे पास 3 machine है ABC. Manufacturer has 3 machines. In place of 2 we have 3 machines. and out of them the operator A produce 1% of the defective item, ये 1% defective item बनाता है, and the B and C produce 5% and the 7% defective item, and machine A produce 50% of the item, 50% item बनाता है टोटल का, ये 30% item बनाता है और ये 20%. At the end item is taken out and it's found to be defective. एक item हमने निकाला वो defective था, तो क्या probability है it is being made by the machine B, या पूछा जा सकता है क्या probability कि मशीन A के द्वारा बनाया गया है, और ये पूछा सकता था क्या probability कि मशीन C के द्वारा बनाया गया है. So see the pattern of the questions. Then one of the event is happened and you have to find that it has happened from one of the part of the sample space. So first of all I am doing the question number 2. See it very carefully how you have to do it. We have a bag first in which we have a red and black ball, and in the second bag also we have a red and black ball. In the bag first we have 4 red ball and the black 4 ही black ball है. In the second we have 2 red balls and 6 black ball. Now a ball is drawn and it is found to be red. तो क्या probability है कि वो bag first से निकाली गई थी? How you have to do it? See it very carefully. First of all, we take the parts of the total sample space, that is H1 and H2. Why they are H1 and H2? Because we have the 2 bags. So H1 is the probability of selecting the first bag, and H2 is the probability of selecting the second bag. So what is the probability of selecting the first bag? Out of 2 we have 1 and out of 2 we have 1. So this is the probability of selecting the one of the bag. Now E, what is E? Here the event is to select the red ball. You have to find the probability of selecting the red ball. So what is E upon H1? After that we find E upon H2. If there are 3 bags, then we'll find E upon H3. Now what is the meaning of E upon H1? E upon H1 is the probability of red ball from the bag first, and E upon H2 means probability of selecting the red ball from the bag second. अब हमें bag first और second पता है, उसमें red ball निकालने की probability. तो what is the probability of selecting a red ball from the first? Red ball from the first, 4 red out of 8, so 4 upon 8. And what is the probability of selecting the red from the second bag? That is 2 red ball out of 8. So this is the probability of selecting the this red ball from the second. Now what you have to find? It is given that we have taken out a ball which is red. तो ये वाली event हो चुकी है. That is E. That is we have taken out a ball which is red. So what is the probability that is being selected or taken out from the bag first? So it means आपको H1 पता करना है कि एक ball निकाली, तो क्या probability it is from the bag first, and this is the Bayes theorem. तो क्या होता है Bayes theorem? Simple सा है. तो this is the form E upon H1. You take it out opposite E upon H1, multiply by the probability of H1. In the denominator we have 2 parts of the sample space. It will be E upon H1 into probability of H1, and because we have 2 events, so it will be E upon H2 into probability of H2. So this is the formula for the Bayes theorem. If we have 3 events, then the third will be also there, E upon H3 into probability of H3. 3 will be there because the formula is summation. So we have 3 parts of the total sample space, that is we have only 2 bags. So we E upon H1 into probability of H1 plus E upon H2 into probability of H2. Now simply replace the value of E upon H1 into probability of H1. E upon H1 is 4 upon 8 into probability of H1. It is half. It is 4 upon 8 into probability of half plus E upon H2 is 2 upon 8 into probability of half. You will get that if we have taken out a ball and it is found to be red, then what is the probability that it is drawn from the bag first? अगर आपको second, if it is given that we have taken out a ball and it is found to be red, then what is the probability that it is drawn from the bag second? Then this step, this step, this step, this step will remain the same. Here you have to find H2 upon E. So according to that H2 upon E, it will be E upon H2 into probability of H2. Denominator will remain the same. E upon H1 into probability of H1, E upon H2 into probability of H2, and so on. So this is the question number 2 of exercise 13.3, which is based on the Bayes theorem, जो कि Bayes theorem पर based है. We'll do many questions based on this, तो थोड़ा सा easy हो जाएगा. We have only 2 parts of the sample space, केवल 2 बैग. अगर 3 बैग होते तो we'll have 3, 1, 2 and 3. Replace this value, you will get a ball drawn to be drawn is found to be red. Then what is the probability it is drawn from the bag first? Okay, we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.